Hello everyone. Today I have one exercise like on screen. Solve equation sin power 6 of x plus cosine power 6 of x equal 1 over 4. Okay, before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, go to solution together. Okay, I use the rule a power m all power n equal a power mn. So sinus all power 6 of x, I can write sinus power 2 times 3 of x. I can write sinus power 2 of x all power 3. I can write sinus power 2 of x all power 3 plus and cosinus power 6 of x. I can write cosinus power 2 times 3 of x, and I can write cosinus power 2 of x all power 3, and this I can write cos power 2 of x all power 3 equal 1 over 4. And now we can use the rule a power 3 plus b power 3 equal a plus b factor time with a power 2 minus ab plus b square, and then we can write it sine square of x plus cos square of x all time sine square of x all square minus sine square of x times cosinus square of x plus cosinus square of x all square. Okay, equal 1 over 4. Okay, we know sine square of x plus cos square of x equal 1. So the part we don't write it. So we get sine square of x all square minus sine square of x times cosinus square of x plus cosinus square of x all square equal 1 over 4. So this part I can write if I get a square plus b square, I can write it equal a plus b all square minus 2ab. So I can write sinus square of x plus cos sinus square of x all square minus 2 sinus square of x times cosinus square of x minus, we write this part in sinus square of x times cosinus square of x equal 1 over 4. And then we get this part is equal 1 to, okay, 1 square minus 2 minus 1 out, this part is the same, we get minus 3 sine square of x times cos square of x equal 1 over 4. And then we can write minus 3 sine square of x cos sine square of x equal 1 over 4 minus 1. And then 1 over 4 minus 1, we get 1 over 4 minus 4 over 4, we get minus 3 over 4. And then we get minus 3 sine square of x times cosine square of x equal minus 3 over 4. And then we can simplify it with minus 3 and this minus 3, and we get sine square of x times sine square of x equal 1 over 4. And then we multiply with both sides of this equation with 4, we get 4 sine square of x times cosine square of x equal 1. And then I can write 2 sine x cosine x all square equal 1. We know the rule sine 2a equal to sine of a cosine of a. So 2 sine of x times cosine of x, I can write sine of 2x all square equal 1. So sine of 2x equal plus and minus square root of 1. We get plus and minus 1. So we have two ways of the solution. If sine of 2x equal 1, we know in the cycles of the trigonometry, we know that if sine equal 1, we get it's the angle pi over 2. So this we get sine of 2h equal sine of pi over 2, and we get 2h equal pi over 2 plus 2k pi, and we get x equal pi over 4 plus k pi, that we know k is integer number. So we get k is integer number. If sine of 2x equal minus 1, we can write sine of 2x equal sine of, we know if sine equal minus 1, it's below, it's the angle 3 pi over 2. We get sin 3 pi over 2. Okay, we get 2x equal 3 pi over 2 plus 2k pi, and we get x equal 3 pi over 4 plus k pi, that k in the integer number. So thus x equal pi over 4 plus k pi, and x equal 3 pi over 4 plus k pi, that k in the integer number is our solution. Thank you for watching. If you like this solution, don't forget to subscribe and share for more video for study later. Bye.